I just can't stop watching EXO. We got the EXO marathon over here, baby. You feel me? Now, El Dorito was crazy. We know that Mama Monster and Wolf was crazy, and I got another one for y'all. White Noise, Thunder, Playboy, Artificial Love. Now, I know this performance is going to go crazy, so I'm prepared now. I'm gonna need y'all to subscribe, and let's just have some fun. Hey. Hey! Oh my gosh, I don't know why I just knew that moment needed a hey. And guess who said hey back? My boy Doe. Look at me and him is connected on a different level. I've been trying to tell y'all, he's not just my bias. I feel like we friends already. Maybe we will be in the future, you feel me? Maybe I'll get into Korean drama with him, you feel me? Like, I don't know. I'm just manifesting things out there. But I feel like this video is really going to show a lot of uniqueness and be able to capture a lot of different moments amongst the artists. You feel me? So we're going to really be able to dive deeper into the other artists. The beat's nasty. Not far away. I hear you, I feel you. 서로가 없어도 날들을 숨기자 눈을 감고서. I'm trying to think though, because I know Kai. I want to say Kai. Maybe I'm getting mixed up with who Kai is, but I feel like Kai was this person right here. Correct me if I'm wrong. This is Kai, right? I believe this guy right here, if his name is Kai, really is somebody that, I don't know if y'all feel this way. I feel like he's underrated in this group. No one's really underrated in this group because they all shine. You can see everybody. But I feel like he is just one of those silent assassins. You know? Like, you know he's there. You know he's powerful. You know he can do it all. But he don't necessarily, for me, have like a Baekhyun or like a dull voice where like anybody that hears it, you're like, oh my gosh, like you can pinpoint it out. He's almost like in the shadow, doing his thing and doing things like Bae and like Doe and like the other members and going crazy. But he just like he's just, I don't know how to explain it. Like he a silent assassin. Assassin is great at what they do. That's why they do what they do. But they ain't gotta go out there and like outdo too much to be great, if that makes sense. I hear you, I feel you. 서로가 없어도 날들을 숨기자 눈을 감고서 이 세상 모든 소리 중에 너를 찾아내면 내 작은 웃음소리. Oh my God. 네가 잘 지낸다는 그것만 확인하게. Somebody, someone loves me. Someone loves me. Somebody. No, they didn't. No, they didn't. Rain. I just don't got that ability that EXO has. I need them to teach me that move right there, because ain't no rain falling from the sky like they just did. You feel me? But it's crazy. This song, the beat is so fire. It's almost like a house music. You feel me? Something you would hear in like a club playing house music. Doons, doons, doons. But then they changed it and manipulated it to make it more like a hip hop. Boom, like a pop song almost. Boom, boom. You can pop to it type stuff. On top of that, man, ain't it great? Just the way that they are structurally put in this group and placed when it's time for them to sing a hook. They know exactly who the hook master is. You feel me? When they know. Don't mention he normally comes in and he does the intros of songs. You feel me? And we know when he does. He's great at it. So you can tell that they have such a structure to how they make music and where they place people at. They don't change it too much because it's perfect. It's perfect. They take you on a roller coaster every time with the emotions. They make you feel literally everything.
Don't you worry, baby.
That's the pretty boy right there. Like I feel like ladies love that guy a lot. Visual. Hey. Hey. Right.
혼자서 물어보는 너의 연보 한정마다 떠난 후 나서적인 소음들 속에 혹시나 지나칠지 모르게 한숨 호흡까지 이 바람은 왠지 널 지나쳐 왔을지도 몰라 순간 멈춘 모든 게 꿈 같아 여전히 새하얀 안개 속에서 나는 길을 잃은 소
I hope my neighbor ain't home. I just banged on the wall because of excitement. I didn't even think about what I was doing because I wanted to talk about Sehun. Y'all know what I say about him in the past. Y'all know what I said about him in the past. I felt like he kind of was there. If you talking basketball terms, you feel me? He just one of those role players. You feel me? If we talking football, you know, he probably the 53rd man on the team. You know? You feel me? He may be on the special teams, the all hands teams. You know, not to say that he's not good. It's just when he's surrounded by members like that, you got to do things, the things that they're doing, you got to be up there doing those things too. And I felt like a lot of performances, he kind of just, you know, was up there, and I didn't see a lot of what he's capable of doing off those one video or a few videos I watched. But this right here, I felt the swagger in this, man. I felt the confidence, but he has like this gentleman kind of style to him. Chanyeol, he coming to you with swag and hype, and you gonna hear it. You feel me? I feel like he got a little culture in him. You feel me? I feel like he a little hood, just a little bit. But you know, you got Sehun. He come more with a little bit more like class and more like I'm gonna hit you with bars. I'm gonna hit you with a style that seems very preppy almost. But then he got a little swag to him. Let me know what y'all think.
잡을 수가 없었던 잠시 전 소던 내 곁에 없어 내 안에 있어 눈을 감고서 수많은 일 중에 하나 다시 꺼내보면 명확하게 하고 있어 이든지 볼 수가 없어도
I miss you, baby. Absolutely insane. I'm gonna be honest. I think that song called White Noise. Correct me if I'm wrong. I want to say though, that song right there is another one of my top songs that I like to listen to. It's a song that just makes you literally feel loved. It literally says somebody loves you. Like it's almost an affirmation song. You know, like when you listen to it, you're like, dang, like there is someone that thinks of me in this way. I am loved. Somebody does love me. Somebody does love when I'm around. Somebody does love hearing the sound of my voice. You know? And that right there is beautiful because you know that's just genuine love. It's not one of those, you know, googly eyes, oh my gosh, first love kind of love. And it's not one of those, I want to take something from you, so I'm a say all these things and make you feel this way type of love. It's like a genuine, like, you're just a good person. I love being around you and I appreciate you type of love. And then the dancing, look it. If y'all catch me dancing on here like that, I may find me a girlfriend. You feel me? Like I may be married by next year if I'm out here doing, you feel me, the stuff that they doing. So it just shows that their moves, they're dancers. They're not. Again, I mentioned K-pop dancers. You feel me? They don't make it easy. This ain't stuff that you can just watch and be like, oh, I can do it type stuff. And I love that about them. They love the art of what they do. Hey, bro, go crazy.
행복 속에 취해 저 기억의 빛에 잠깐 눈이 멀었나 봐 닿을 수 없는 그곳에 너는 이미 가 있어 난 번개처럼 잠깐 빛났다 잠시 세상을 밝혔다 온 세상을 바치 내 것처럼 나에게 보여주고 떠났다.
What? Look it. Come on now. I'm telling y'all, if I start doing these moves, it's gonna be some trouble for some of y'all ladies watching this. If I'm being honest, that's why I'll be trying to be reserved a little bit, you know, because I don't want y'all, a bunch of y'all DMing me like, AJ, you cute, AJ, I want you type stuff. But anyways, I don't care what y'all think or what y'all do. I'm gonna do it anyways. He said, like aggressively though. It's not like a sexy, like, yeah. It's like I'm giving you the work, you know, and like, again, they're great dancers. I want to say that guy right there that we just saw. Let me go back. Him. That was fast. Him right there. Is that the main dancer? Because I know you guys were telling me a few times that there is members that left and go, so it's kind of confusing. And I know that you said there's one member that is the dancer of the group that was missing a lot of videos I've been watching. Is this the main dancer? Because I feel like every time he dances and it shows him, it's like I feel like in my spirit that's the dancer of the group. That's the dude who probably comes up with a lot of the choreographies and stuff like that. Let me know if that's true. Hey. You gotta be dancing. You got a unique voice. I ain't never heard something like that.
너무 멀리 가버렸나 봐. 시간이 갈수록 너와 난 멀어져.
Come on, babe.
이미 넌 저 멀리 있어. 또 누군가의 빛이 되어 있겠지. 불길처럼 아주 빨랐다. 우린 너무나 달랐다.
Hey.
사이 시간의 차이가 함께할 수 없는 공간이 됐다. 잠금처럼 늦어가.
Who is this guy, y'all? Talk to me. Talk to me. He has a unique voice. Hey!
찾아간다 점점 더 멀어져 시간의 벽을 넘어 너를 찾아간다 지금은 달라도 시작은 같았다 아직 돌아갈 수 있다고 믿어 지금 하나 둘 셋 우리 거를 잰다.
You have him, Sehun, and then you have Chanyeol coming right after him and going back and forth. They're unstoppable. You can go get your two favorite rappers and put them against them, and it's gonna be a battle. I don't know who's gonna win. I don't know who you're gonna choose, but like, yes, this group has it all. This group has it all. Superstar team, NBA all-star team. You feel me? Like, I like the way they went back and forth. I feel like Sehun, to me, I feel like he's just a reserved kind of guy. Probably in his daily life, he just reserved. You feel me? But I feel like Chanyeol, putting them next to each other in a song, I feel like Sehun really gets energy and feeds off of Chanyeol and his energy. And then when you both have them having energy, it's just that you can't compete against that. Thunder's a good love song too. I'm trying to seduce him. Chill. I like women. Yeah.
네 마음 전부 알고 있어 괜찮아 보여줘 네 비밀을 다 까맣게 덮여진 내 맘은 your place
Hey.
하얗게 타버린 네 맘은 my
Hey.
place 질릴 수 없는 게 당연하니 play 까맣게 잊혀진 내 말은 my face 하얗게 사라진 네 말은 your trace
That's they move.
질릴 수 없는 게 당연하니 play
Hey.
맞춤 한번 됐어 나 같은 놈 만나가 너 행운일지 악연일지 갈래지도 갈래길 yes 복잡을 삼킨 whiskey 널 뜨겁게 더 들뜨게 나 만들게
Hey.
못됐지 하지 말란 걸 더 즐겨 난 말해드
Yeah. Playboy. Now, there's a song I want to say, Bad Boy or I'm a Good Boy or something like that that Big Bang made. Which we know that was fire. I like the narrative that they wrote in that, and then now with them coming with Playboy, I like the narrative because it ain't so much like a. When you think of Playboy, you almost get a negative connotation from it, you know. But the Playboy they talking about almost is like a positive in a sense, you know. Like it's not that they trying to be playboys. It's just like it is who they are for the fact of who they are that people think they just a bunch of playboys type stuff. That's what I'm getting from it. And on top of that, the way he came in, the one that I said, let's go back. This guy right here, I don't know who he is. Talk to me. Again, I feel like he the main dancer. But it says, I'll make you hotter, more excited. And then it's talking about like being like a playboy-ish, and I feel like he's the perfect image to come out with that line. You know, that line was meant and written for him. You know, because I feel like if there's anybody that's a playboy in this group, not saying anybody is, not making up rumors, I feel like it gotta be this guy. You feel me? I'm glazing. Hey.
나 멈출 수 없다고 너도 마찬가지잖아 그냥 날 놓치기 싫잖아 안 그래?
Hey. For the women out there, do not get pregnant. Don't let them do that to you. I know y'all feeling it. I'm telling you, he the playboy. That's him. I'm calling it. That guy, stay away from him. You feel me? For the ladies out there, if that's your bias, protect yourself. Because I know what type of men you like. So protect yourself. You feel me? Fire. Already White Noise, Thunder, Playboy. I said that this is an experimental group. I'll take it back. I don't feel like there's so much experimental in what they do. I feel like just what they do seems experimental because they do things that nobody else is doing. So it seems new, seems fresh, and different. So you're like, maybe they're just trying out things. But every song I have listened to by them has been 100% fire. No skips so far. Now, again, Mama and Wolf, I was on edge. But then I watched the live performance. Again, songs that are fire. You cannot miss. You know? And again, man, they are so good at every single thing. I don't care what it is. It can just be standing there. They're going to make sure they give 100% than just standing there. You know, if they're breathing, they're going to make sure that their breath, the breath they breathe in, is going to be the 100% the best breath they ever breathe in type stuff. And it just shows, again, their passion for what they do. It shows the love. If they weren't making money, if they weren't as big as they are, I can tell that every single one of them will still be doing what they're doing now. Still putting in the same amount of work. You feel me? And that's what I get. They got a pimp cane. Playboy the pimp cane. Hey. Your love is calculated, and that's your limit. Let's not forget that they're lyricists at the same time. They're great writers at the same time. I know I'm having fun, and I may overlook some of the lines in which they said. Sometimes the line is about love and as simple as you can really think it. Ain't much to go on from it. But that right there was a bar. Our love is superficial. You feel me? Our love, you have a limit to it. You feel me? Like I can see everything that you're doing. You feel me? Like, and it's built on just nothing. You feel me? And you don't go past that type of love. So you're easily calculated. I know we have some family members or some friends or some people we know in our lives today that their love is superficial. Their love is built on what you can do for them. Their love is built on what you don't do for them. Their love is built on just what they can gain from you, or I would say take from you, and that's it. That's their limit. But when it's time for them to show up for you, they're not there. When it's time for them to pour into you, their cup is empty. They looking for their cup. Like, I can't even do that right now. I ain't got it. You know, so I want to say these type of loves, just once you can see it's calculated and you're aware of it, just make sure you love them. Keep that distance, you know.
She don't love me, 내겐 artificial love. 숨겨했던 너의 artificial love. 뭐가 진실이고 거짓인지 말해. Can't trust this. You got that 거짓 미소.
Artificial love.
거짓 눈물. 거짓 사랑.
Artificial.
그게 바로 너의
love. Come on. Look it. They know what they're doing. They know what they're doing. They know how to appeal to the women. But I'm gonna keep it 100% honest, and this is not for me. I think not only do they know how to appeal to the women, I think they know how to appeal to men as well. And I don't think men, like, they're trying to seduce men or get men to like them, but they make music that men themselves is like, I want to do this. I want to practice these dance moves. I want to listen to this type of music. I want to become the character in which they are in these songs for a woman type stuff. Look it. They literally got on their knees and they saying, you feel me? Like, come on, man. Y'all got it. Y'all ladies. Yo, man. Let's take some notes. Hey. Hey.
You know why? Artificial lover. She don't love me. Artificial love.
do they do this though? What's the secret to do what they're doing? I can tell. We only see the finished product, but I know that they put in so many hours behind the scenes to be this crisp and this great at what they do. They got a cane. They're flipping it and grinding on this cane and doing all these tricks and flips and stuff with it, all while singing. And it's not like they stop and they taking a break. They back to back to back to back with it. Different props, different dances that take high energy. How do they do this? I'm in my room right now. I did one little move and I'm out of breath and I'm in shape. I'm in good shape. So I wonder what their routine is. I wonder from start to finish, what is their process like? That's what I want to know. I want to get involved and understand what that is like, because what they're doing at a high level, it seems like they don't get weary. It seems like they don't get tired. It seems like if they wanted to, the next day they can do this all over again with no breaks. Not that it's good for them, but they can. And that right there is just a different type of level, a different type of energy, a different type of passion, a different type of motivation that they got. And so I want to know what that is for them. It's like Magic Mike. He Magic Mike it. Hey! Can't trust it. It's like y'all know black colleges. Black colleges, they got what they call them, noops. I don't know too much about them, but I know they got black colleges, black fraternities where they call them noops, and they got the cane and they be doing a little shoulder roll. You feel me? Yeah, you feel me? And they got the cane and they use that as a prop. I feel like this right here, they probably went to a black fraternity and got some help. They went there and they probably was initiated at one point in their college careers. If they went to college, I don't know what they did, but definitely I could see the resemblance in that, in the way they dancing and stuff. A little different, but you feel me? That's what I think of. And I want to say there's a few members that ain't really getting too much shine in this. There's a few members that you see them for 1 second and then they're gone. And I'm not sure why that is. There's a few. Obviously, we see Bae, we see Do, we see Chen, and we see Chanyeol. Sometimes Sehun, but the four of them normally are the ones in the forefront that we have a lot of lines and we see a lot. Is that intentional? Am I just missing those artists when they do come in? But it seems like Kai, seems like Shuman. It seems like there's another person. I forgot. Lay, I think his name is. Like, I'm not seeing a lot of these other people that y'all mentioned to me in the comments really do too much. You feel me? And I don't know why that is. Hey, drop it low. Making me. What they about to do? He blindfolded? Pin the tail on the doggy? Dance battle? Blindfolded? Hey. No, not facing each other. No, they can see. They can see. I'm not believing they can't see. I think they put on a see-through blindfold. Because there's no way. Not only are they not bumping into each other and making sure that they in sync with each other, and they know the moves, they know where they're at. No, unless they got a third eye that seep in somewhere and they can see, there's no way I'm believing that they have a blindfold that they can't see on. Because look how crispy this is. Look how every step is perfect. But they can't see. I don't know about y'all. I close my eyes and I'm walking straight. You feel me? And I keep walking straight. I'm going to end up walking into a wall. Like I'm going to end up curving even though I feel like I'm walking straight. So there's no way they're doing this right now. I knew it. It's still hard though. That was another one in the books. One of the craziest performances I've ever seen. This one was Mama and Monster and Wolf was crazy with the visuals and kind of the symbolisms and everything that they were using and doing. This right here was just fun. This one was that Playboy. This was strictly for the ladies. You know, this one right here was about love. And not that type of fun, happy-go-lucky love. One of those, look it, I'm trying to make you my woman, my wife. I'm trying to show you the things you ain't never seen before type of love. And I loved it because they took instrumentals and beats that I don't think I really have heard at all in the K-pop industry. And they really made it their own, you know, and they really embodied what it means to be an idol, to be in a superstar. If there's a definition, if we can look it up in the dictionary right now, it would just say EXO. Now there's other artists that are great like that, could be idols, but I feel like they are the definition. They have everything. They do everything. I love it. I appreciate them. I appreciate y'all always recommending me stuff from them. But I'm gonna need y'all to subscribe. Stop playing with the subscription button. Hit it.